Go World Championship 2022. Game 3. Addition Subtraction.
The commentators are Eleanor Chen, Louis Law.
Hi everyone, welcome to our last game for the Go 2022 World Championship. This is the addition and subtraction game. The game will last for 3 minutes.
Yeah, and this is going to be the final round, make or break moment for the contestants. You know, we have a lot of close contestants. It's their chance. Those in second or third place could shoot to the first. Anything could happen here. The most important round even. I'm sure this will be an excellent game.
Yeah, and before we get started, I would just like to personally applaud all of our contestants so far for all of the effort, all of the practice, all the hard work throughout the month. All of us really admire you for the effort you guys have put in over the past few months, and we'd just like to thank you for being here with us today. And now, looks like we're starting. Good luck.
All right, so we got Phoenicia first right now, got 20 points, and in Group D, we have Daniel, 1, 2, 3, 50 points. Remember that each question is 10 points. These people they're going so fast.
In Group A, we have Alexander in first place with 60 points. He's trying to amass a lead. For Group C, we have Orville in first place with 70, but Darren and a few other players are all very, very close behind.
Yeah, and we look at Group D, look, it's so close. They're literally neck and neck. Lu Guanghao and Daniel 1, 2, 3 are 14 and 14 each. Nickname is in third place, close behind, only about 2 questions behind. And in Group B, we have our first place competitor already pulling ahead. Lin is 150 compared to Lena 30 points ahead of her. That's 3 questions.
In Group A, we have Yang Zhijun and Alexander also neck to neck. Cupcake seems to be lagging behind, but we wish them good luck. And in Group C, wow, even closer neck to neck. Darren, He Anxing, You Xinghao, AS Lee, all really, really close.
Yeah, and all right, let's pull back to Group B really quick. And yeah, the gap is only further widening. Lin is already 40 points ahead still, and it doesn't look like it's going to catch up very soon. Bill Lee and Ryan, second and third place. Those are super neck and neck. They are 1 for 1 every time, 200, 200 at the moment. We look over to Group D. We've got Lu Guanghao at 300, Daniel at 270. The gap has pulled further. And nickname is getting closer to Daniel, 260, 280, 270 now, 10 points, 1 question behind.
In Group A, the gap between Yang Zhijun and Alexander is slowly widening. I think we're starting to get a clearer view of how our competitors will fare. In Group C, it's still very, very close. It's almost impossible to tell who will come in first, second, third. We have a huge range between 200 to 250, just all really close together.
Yeah, and we're pulling into the final minute, 45 seconds left. This is the sprint, all out sprint time. Group B is the first place is at 350. But second and third place, they are still neck and neck. And we look at fourth and fifth, they're only 10 points behind. Ryan is really like 1 question following Lena, literally half a second every time. And in terms of Group D, though, first place is definitely pulling ahead of Daniel. Daniel's just competing with third place to maintain his second place position.
For Group C, we also have a widening gap. Darren is seen taking a pretty clear lead, but it's not over yet. He Anxing could easily catch up at any time. Mickey and AS Lee are doing well as well. For Group A, time is out.
I think we saw a very close competition between our second to fourth places amongst all our groups. So congratulations to Lu Guanghao, first place in Group D. Daniel, second place in Group D, 380, 40 points behind, and just slightly behind him, nickname in third. And for Group B, we got Lin at 420, Bill Lee at 370, and Lena at 360. 1 question behind. Congratulations to these people.
In Group A, we have our first place, Yang Zhijun, our second place, Alexander, third place, Cupcake. For Group C, first place is Darren, second place is He Anxing, third place is AS Lee, all very, very close. Thank you to all of our participants today, and we hope you guys had fun at the competition.
Congratulations.